Good afternoon, beautiful people of God. I just quickly want to talk about something. See, there is a point in our lives that we all go through something very challenging. Kọ́lọ́ má jẹ́ ká rí ìṣòro tó ju ẹ̀mí wa lọ. Ìgbà míì, èèyàn máa fẹ́, àwọn nǹkan míì tí èèyàn ń go through, ó máa fẹ́ fúnyàn ní issues tó jẹ́ pé èèyàn máa fẹ́ wà depressed. Ṣé get nǹkan tí mò ń sọ? No matter what you're going through, look at me very well and listen to me very well. Because this part I want to say is very important. No matter what you are going through right now, if it's not health issues, just thank God. Tí ò bá ń ṣe health issues, thank God. A fi ọ̀rọ̀ health a fi yọ àwọn tó ń go through health issues o. No. A fi sọ pé à ń yọ̀, a fi dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run ni. That's number one. And gbogbo ẹni tó bá ń go through anything health issues, Ọlọ́run á bá wa fún wọn ní àlàáfíà. But mi kàn fẹ́ jẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ wípé nǹkan tó ń pass through yẹn, tí wọ́n rò bí problem yẹn, ẹlòmíì ó pass through 20 times yẹ. Ó ń pass through ẹ̀ gidigidi. Àwọn problem mi wà tí pé kò sí solution. There was a time in my life tó jẹ́ wípé mo pass through àwọn nǹkan kan tó jẹ́ pé in fact it was betrayal, heartbreak, front, left and center. You understand? If you know me, not this year, not last year, maybe 5 years ago, you understand what I'm talking about. Financially and emotionally, not physically, financially, emotionally, I was going through a lot. I went through a lot this period. Even right now, financially, I'm still trying to bounce back. But I used to thank God for one thing. Ìgbà míì tí n bá jókòó tí mo bá rò wípé, and truly, if you know me, ibi tó yẹ kí n wà kọ́ ni mo wà yìí. But due to àwọn ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan tó ṣẹlẹ̀, mo dúpẹ́ fún Ọlọ́run, But kò wá síbi tó lè wà, máa rántí pé àwọn ẹgbẹ́ mi wọ́n wà nínú sàárè. Because kíní yẹn ó ti wá affect me physically. I stopped product gan tí mò ń lò kò ṣiṣẹ́ lára mi mọ́. Anything ò ṣiṣẹ́, I just dress anyhow and me that I'm even in a beauty business. Ṣó yẹ kéèyàn máa appear anyhow? Ìgbà yẹn kò ń ṣẹjọ́ èmi náà. Pìtìpìtì ayé ló bá gbogbo àwọn ọ̀tá mi because àwọn nǹkan kan wà tó yẹ pé ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ séèyàn tó yẹ pé èèyàn máa rò pé why? Níbo lo ti go wrong? But I just want to tell you this afternoon that tí ẹ̀mí bá wà, ìrètí ń bẹ. If you have good health, just know that nǹkan yẹn kékeré ni. Nǹkan tó lè mú alápá kan kó máa ṣọpẹ́, ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ kan ń ṣọpẹ́. Ṣé tí ibi táfọ́jú ti ń ṣọpẹ́ rí? Tí wọ́n ti ń dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run, tí wọ́n ti ń dúpẹ́ rí. Gbogbo ipò dáadáa la máa wà lórúkọ Jésù, lórúkọ Ọlọ́run. But gbogbo ipò tí èèyàn bá wà, kéèyàn máa normalize to thank God in any situation that you find yourself. God will not let us find ourselves in a bad situation. So, àwọn kíní tó bá ti affect èèyàn mentally, ó máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa fúnyàn depression. There was actually a time in my life tó yẹ pé mo wọ depression, honestly. Because téèyàn bá kọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo èèyàn máa wò pé no, kí nìkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀. Èmi tó yẹ pé máa travel lẹ́ẹ̀mẹrin nínú ọdún kan pẹ̀lú àwọn ọmọ mi. Everything was moving fine just because of one thing that happened to me. Because of a breakup that happened to me and kíní yẹn kò scatter mi ni. Ó scatter so many things láyé mi nígbà yẹn. But èmi náà ṣàlélè, àdúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run. Bí ó tẹ̀ jẹ́ pé owó yẹn ó kù díẹ̀, mo mọ̀ pé Ọlọ́run á ṣe because tẹ́mi bá wà, ìrètí ń bẹ. So, why am I saying this thing? I know that ọ̀rọ̀ tí mò ń sọ yìí, Ọlọ́run ló direct mi láti sọ. Because mo mọ̀ wípé ẹlòmíì tó ń wò mí báyìí ó ń go through plenty things. But no matter what you go through, just try, fight it, force yourself out of it, you know. It is not the end of the world. Oh, get, baby. It is not the end of the world. And you cannot be in that position forever. No condition is permanent. It is left for you. If you want your condition to be permanent, it is left to you. If you want it not to be permanent, everything is in your hands. You understand? You are the one that will take yourself out of that position that you are, out of that condition that you are, any way you can. First of all, o ní láti kọ́kọ́ bá orí ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ náà pé you need to just force yourself out of it. Snap out of it and be strong. Be strong. Kéèyàn dẹ̀ máa rántí pé ayé kan ló wà. Now, that being said, mo wá fẹ́ sọ nǹkan kékeré kan. Ṣé rí ẹ̀yin tẹ máa ń ní aṣọ ńlé tẹ̀ kí n wọ̀, tẹ máa ń ní bàtà ńlé tẹ máa lọ ń keep ẹ̀ due to pé bóyá you are going through one thing, o ò fẹ́ múra dáadáa, o ò fẹ́ yọ dáadáa. Ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ sí mi rí o. Mi kàn ní wọṣọ, màá kàn appear anyhow. Àwọn customer kan máa béèrè pé kí ló ń ṣe mí. Ó dẹ̀ affect mi, ó affect business mi ńgbà yẹn. Because ìwọ tó lóun ṣe beauty business tó wà presentable sáwọn èèyàn. So kí wá ní nǹkan tó a fẹ́ sọ. So you need to always dress the way you want people to. That fine hair, that fine wig. Yesterday I brought out all my wigs. I have wigs, oh. I brought them out and I sent it to the person that will help me to revamp it. Yes, mo ti fẹ́ revamp wig mi. Because ayé yìí ò pé méjì. Ayé yìí ò pé méjì. Tó bá jẹ́ irun dídì ni mo fẹ́ dì ni màá dì. Tó bá jẹ́ pé mo fẹ́ pack irun mi, màá pack. Tó bá jẹ́ pé mo fẹ́ ṣe weaving, màá weave. Tó bá jẹ́ pé mo fẹ́ wọ wig, màá wọ wig. Because tíyàn bá ní depression, kó máa carry jọ kò lè help anything. So bàtà tó nílé tó wọ̀ yẹn, that shoe that is in your house, that wig, that your skincare products, please use it. Use it. Don't put yourself. Àwọn tó bá máa ń dárò fún yẹn, wọ́n máa ní no condition is permanent. It depends on you. You are not doing anything and you want your condition not to be permanent. First of all, pick yourself up. You don't get. Force yourself to look good. Force yourself to look good because ilé ayé yìí, bó bá ṣe appearance ẹ̀ ó tiẹ̀ kọ́kọ́ matter. Ìyẹn ni first impression náà. Tó ń tajà, kó bá jẹ́ pé nǹkan 5 naira ló ń tà, tí appearance ẹ̀ ò bá wà okay, gbàgbé ẹ̀, kò sẹ́ni tó fẹ́ gbọ́ nǹkan tó ń sọ. Má jẹ́ kí depression yẹn, nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí mi rí ni mò ń sọ yìí o. Má jẹ́ kí depression yẹn jẹ́ kí o kò da gbogbo nǹkan rú. You don't get it. Jẹ́ kí skin ẹ, take care of your skin. Skin ẹ, take care. Skin ẹ, tó bá jẹ́ pé òkìrìkà ni wọ̀ kó fine. Lọ, kó ṣe dandan, kó lówó léèsì olówó iyebíye. Tó bá dẹ̀ ní kó rà á, kó wọ̀ sára ẹ. Tó bá lówó bàtà 100k rà á, ìwọ ló ń ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn. Rà á sára ẹ. Àti ìwọ tó ti ra nǹkan sílé tó lọ ń gbé pamọ́, lọ wọ̀ bàtà tó mú pamọ́ yẹn, gold tó ń tọ́jú yẹn. Ọmọ ìyá mi, lọ wọ̀ díẹ̀ sára ẹ. Ìwọ ló ní nǹkan ẹ. Tó o bá tẹ̀ níbi tó máa lọ, wọ̀ fi ṣe TikTok video. Ó yá, àbí kó fi ṣe video gbogbo sórí status ẹ. Then put effort in looking good. Ó wà very, very important. Put effort in force ara ẹ. These days, tí ìrònú bá ti fẹ́ dé, máa ya force ara mi. Force yourself to look good. It is very important. Look good for yourself. Look good for yourself. Dress well for yourself. Tó bá níbi tó ń lọ, wọ̀ ní inú ilé ẹ. Oh, understand? Dress well for yourself. Má jẹ́ kí depression pa ẹ́. Lọ sí spa. Ṣe ojú ẹ, ṣe facial ẹ, lọ síbi tó ti ń ṣe irun ojú, shape irun ojú ẹ, ṣe irun ẹ, jẹ́ kó fine. O lè jáde, jáde lọ síbi kan, jókòó síbẹ̀, have fun.